Yo, what's up, Alapuka? Another tutorial na po karon sa ato ang adlaw. So karon tuluan na po og Jolly Hip Hop music steps para magamit na po ninyo sa mabuti na Christmas party. Para kanindot pa dyan daan kung gusto mong perfect ka stepping, perfect inyong execution, nindot din siya kaya di yun mo mamalian Kulay ko rin kayo kung mamali pa dyan daan ha? Okay? So, sundan lang ko ninyo ha. Mag-counting lang kung ganito counts. Ganito counts ha, di basic na kayo di. Okay? So, you got it is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121,
Sick and tired of hearing all these things you talk about. What's the deal with this fun life and realize what we're doing is not a trend. We got the melody, we're gonna bring it to the end. Come on now.
So, okay, take me later ha mga pare, mga master, okay? So, sunod na po lang ng basic tutorial sa Johnny Hip Hop. Bye-bye you!
Patay ko!